In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the standard cell potential. So on last Friday, I already gave you the module. And this time, we're going to elaborate and I'm going to teach you the different steps on how to calculate a standard cell potential. So, in this case, or at this time, everybody, I hope you learn and enjoy watching. And after this video, I hope you can answer now. You can answer the activity that I've given to you last Friday. So, let's move on. Now, our reaction is this one. We're going to calculate the standard cell potential of chlorine, which has a it must be, it is a chlorine gas. Iya po. Chlorine gas plus nickel solid, and the product is 2 charges of the nickel plus chlorine. Yung chlorine po is nagkaroon na siya ng negative charges or yan po, negative charge. Again, our reactant is chlorine gas plus nickel solid. The product is nickel having a 2 protons or charges plus chlorine with negative charge. So, now, the first step is identify the half reaction from the standard reduction potential. Again po, kailangan natin i-identify which one is, we need to identify the half reaction from the standard reduction potential. Ano po ito, ma'am, standard reduction potential? So, given po, nasa baba, yung picture, yan po, yan. Yung picture na yan, nandyan po yung mga standard reduction potential of the following elements. Yan po, malalaman natin ilan yung electron volts of the specific reaction. Now, first identify natin alin dito yung alamin natin yung standard reduction potential of the following elements. We have here 2 elements, which is the chlorine gas and the nickel. Now, pakitingnan po sa picture, ilan po ba yung, o ano po ba yung standard reduction potential of the chlorine? Okay, now I already written on the board, the whiteboard, the standard reduction potential of the chlorine. We have chlorine gas o plus 2E, base yan po ha, base po yan sa standard reduction potential, given. Meaning to say, given po yan, mga chlorine. So, the standard reduction potential of the chlorine is Cl2 plus 2E or 2 electrons, and the product is 2 chlorine with a negative charge. And the second one, nickel. So, nilugan ko siya dito, Cl and Cl. So, reactant, we have chlorine and nickel. Iyan po. So, now, let's proceed. Our second element is the nickel. So, according to the standard reduction potential, the standard reduction potential of nickel is nickel with the positive charges, 2 positive charge, that is aqueous, plus 2 electrons with the product of nickel solid. So, these 2 is the half reactions. Yan po. From this reaction. Yan po. The previous lesson, we discussed about the enthalpy change. We have the final reaction and the initial reactions. So, this time, or in this lesson, we also have the final reaction. So what? We're going to calculate the standard cell potential, and by calculating the standard cell potential, we need to know, or we need to identify the half reactions. Nakita natin that the half reactions are Cl2 plus 2E or 2 electrons. The product is 2Cl negative. Negative po yan, aqueous. And the second half reaction is 2 nickel with a positive charge, 2 positive charges, aqueous, plus 2 electrons, and the product is nickel solid. Yan po. Now, we're already done with the step 1. Let's proceed to the step 2. Okay, before I forgot, syempre po, meron yung specific na tinatawag nating standard reduction potential or the electron volts. So the electron volts, let me use, okay, sana po may ano pa niya. The electron volts of the first reaction or, yan po, the first half reaction is 1.36. Babasa po ba? That is 1.36. And the electron volts of the other half reaction is, we have, that is 0.25. Ano po nababasa? Yun po. That is 0.25. Well, I guess you can identify the electron volts kasi given naman po siya sa binigay kong PPT. Now, let's proceed to step 2. Step 2 is identify the oxidizing agent and write its reduction half reaction. Iyan po. So, first, kailangan natin identify alin sa dalawang oxidizing agent. Again po, like what I mentioned or what I said a while ago, that we have two variables in calculating the standard cell potential, which is the oxidation and reduction. Pag sinabi natin oxidation, tandaan natin, oxidation loses electron. Kapag naman sinabi natin na reduction, that is gaining electrons. Kaya meron po ako dito sinulat na, wait lang po. Okay, kaya po meron po ako dito sinulat na LEO. Nakikita niyo po ba yan? LEO or LEO. Pag sinabi natin na LEO, LEO loses electron. That identify as a oxidation. And kapag naman, ito class, kapag naman a reduction, tandaan lang ang word na GER. Or GER. G-E-R mean to say gains electron. That is for reduction. Yun po. Kapag LEO, L-E-O, that is loses electron, that is oxidation. Kapag naman G-E-R or GER, that is gain electron, that is for reduction. Gain electron reduction. Yun po, nag-gets na po, LEO and GER. Now, for the step 2, identify the oxidizing agent. Alin sa dalawa, dito sa reaction na to, alin sa tingin yung class ang nag-lose ng electron? Isa-isahin natin. Tingnan natin ang chlorine. Chlorine has a positive charge, right? Positive charge. Plus Ni solid, that is positive charge too. Pero isa lang ang kanyang charges. Now, the product is Ni having a two positive charges. Iyo po, Ni 2 plus. And Ni, nagkaroon na siya ng two positive charges. Why? Ang chlorine plus chlorine negative. Alin sa reaction na ito? Cl2 positive plus Ni positive. The product is Ni, 2 positive charges and the chlorine negative charges. Alin sa dalawa, sa nickel at sa chlorine, ang oxidizing agent? So, as you can see, ang nag-lose ng electron from positive na siyang negative ay ang chlorine. Yan po, chlorine positive to negative. Kasi po ang nickel natin, same lang siyang positive. So, our LEO or oxidizing agent now will be the chlorine, this one. The chlorine plus. Yan po. Next. Okay, nakuha na po natin, ma'am. Nakuha na natin ang step. So, this will be our, let me use a red pen or red na color kasi po, naubos na ang black na color. Okay, let's proceed. Step 2 is our oxidizing agent, this one. So, we have Cl2 gas plus 2E or 2 electrons. The product is 2Cl. That is produced. And ang kanyang electron volt is 1.36. Yan po. That will be our oxidizing agent. Now, let's proceed. Step 3. Okay, for the step 3, reverse the other half reaction in order to present an oxidation reaction of the reducing agent. Now, ito po sa step 3 natin, i-reverse lang natin yung other half reaction. So, in this reaction, this is our half reaction, two half reaction. Ito ang gamit na natin. Ito yung ating oxidizing agent na kinuha natin na. Ito na siya. Now, ang ating other half reaction is the nickel. Yan po. So, sabi dyan, reverse the other half reaction in order to present an oxidation reaction of the reducing agent. Now, kagaya na ginawa natin on the enthalpy change, right? Sa enthalpy change, meron tayong tatawag na flipping, reversing, multiplying, or adding. Yan po. In this case, we're going to reverse the other half reaction, which is the nickel. Yan po, the reaction of the nickel. Now, when we reverse the reaction, we must change the sign of this specific standard reduction potential or the electron volts. Yan po. So, meaning to say, sulat natin, i-flip na natin yung ating other half reaction. So, this one is our, tanda po ha, this one is our other half reaction. Ito ang ating i-reverse. Nagigets po. Okay, so let's, right? So, from reactant, gagawin natin siyang product, and from product, gagawin natin siyang reactant. So, now we have Ni. So, the product is Ni with two positive charges, Aquarius, plus 2 electrons. So, now, like what I said a while ago, kapag flip, ni-reverse ang reaction, change its sign. Yung electron volts, i-change na po natin yung sign. So, from positive 0.25, gagawin natin siyang, again, from positive 0.25, gagawin natin siyang negative 0.25. 0.25. So, okay. Done. Now, let's proceed. Ito yung third step. For the fourth step and the fifth step. For the step 4, sabi dito nakalagay, add the two half reaction and make sure that the number of electrons are the same. I-add na po natin itong dalawang ito. Yan po. Nilagay ko na ito para mas maano po. Now, let's add this two half reaction from step 2 to step 3. Okay. Ma'am, pwede po ba natin i-apply since it talks about balancing equation, adding the half reactions? Pwede po ba natin, ma'am, i-apply yung ginawa natin sa enthalpy change, which is cancellation? So, the answer is yes po. Iya po. Kapag may nakikita kayo pareho nasa half reaction, pero yung isa is nasa product, and yung isa naman is nasa, yung isa is nasa reactant, at yung isa is nasa product, na same number of electrons, na same elements, or na same substances that will be cancelled out. Iyo po. Again, parehong nasa half reaction yung charges, yung substances, yung elements, pero nasa reactant yung isa at nasa product naman yung isa. Iyo po. Pwede natin yan i-cancel out. So, dito sa half reaction natin, or dito sa reactions natin, ano yung nakikita nyo na same yung number of electrons, same yung substances, and same yung elements na nasa reactant and nasa product. So, ang nakikita natin dito ay ang 2 electrons. Bakit, ma'am? Ito siya. Nandito siya sa may reactant side. And nasa product siya ng other half reaction. So, ang gagawin natin is i-cancel out. Cancel out. Cancel out. May nakikita pa ba kayong ibang elements or substances na same na meron sa product na nasa reactant? Wala na. So, this time, we're going now to add the following reaction. So, just bring down Cl2 gas plus, since wala lang 2 electrons, just bring down Ni solid. And 2Cl, negative charges, plus, that is aqueous. Plus, nickel positive charges. That is also aqueous. Okay. As you can see, class, ito na ang ating final. This will be our final reaction or standard, yan po, final reaction for the standard cell potential. So, for the fifth last step is we're going to add these two standard reduction potential. Yun po. Since nag-add tayo dito, mag-add din tayo dito sa electron volts natin. So, for our last step is just add. Electron volts is equal to positive 1.36. Electron volt is negative 0.25, and that will be positive, the final electron volt, or is 1.11. And this is our final answer. Yan po. This is our final standard cell potential, and this is the balance equation. Nakukuha na po ba? Always remember, class, the first step is identify which one is the identify the half reactions. First step is identify the standard reduction potential from the half reactions. Before we have Cl, chlorine, and nickel, and that will base upon, or that will base on the image that I posted, or it is, we will refer to that picture or to that reference, to that information from getting the standard reduction potential. After that, i-identify na natin which one is the oxidizing agent, which one si Leo, alin po dito si GER. Kapag Leo means loses electron oxidation, Leo. Kapag naman GER or GER, gains electrons reduction. Yun po, yan po, tandaan yan. And after you identify the oxidizing agent, the half reaction, nakuha na si oxidizing agent, goods na. Okay na, goods na po yan. Now, yung other half reaction, i-reverse natin. So, the other half reaction is the nickel. And after we reverse, we'll already reverse this one. From here, and nagbigato na siya. Yung product, ginawa yung reactant. Yung reactant, ginawang product. Now, since nag-flip tayo or nag-reverse, we need to change its sign. So, from positive 0.25, gawin natin negative 0.25. And the last step is, add na tayo. I-add na natin yung reaction. Yes po. Just add. And cancel kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-cancel out. Yun po. After cancel, ito na po yung ating final balance equation. And the last step is, add the electron volts or the standard reduction potential. Okay? So, that's all for today. Those are the steps on calculating the standard cell potential. I hope you learned, or I hope you are now, naliwanagan na po sa discussion or sa lesson natin about standard cell potential. If there are any other questions, clarification, you can message me po via messenger. And I hope after this video, you can now proceed to answering our activity that I've given to you last Friday. Again po, this video only focus on how to calculate the standard cell potential. Mean to say, on Monday, magkakaroon pa rin po tayo ng lesson. Same with the TTH. Yun po, yung mga TTH po na PTH natin dyan na students. Kayo po, STEM 1, 5, and STEM 6, ito say magrelasyon pa rin po ako sa next meeting. Yun po. Para naman, mas ma-identify, mas maintindihan natin yung diniscuss natin. Ano yung purpose ng paggawa ano yung purpose ng pag-calculate natin ng standard cell potential. And I hope your goal is not only to calculate the balance or the standard cell potential, but also to know the applications, to know why we need to learn this topic, why we have to discuss this specific topic. So this is your Mom Ching. I hope you learned about our standard cell potential. Goodbye. Do not always do not dehydrate yourself. Ano po sa water. Minum po lagi ng water kasi masyado mainit ang ating surroundings, ang environment. I hope you are safe and enjoy learning at home. Goodbye and God bless.